take me up and my very best 73. Hope to get you down the log again. Kilowatt Oscar 4, Tango Charlie Lima, Italy Kilowatt 5, Oscar Radio.
730, have a great morning.
Hey guys, I hope you're well. It's 1:43 in the morning, and man, I can't sleep. I've been thinking about making a video about my typical ham radio habits in a 24-hour period, right? And I decided to start tonight. It's a very typical morning for me. And you know what I just love doing? And I've been thinking about this, guys. Just now, I've been thinking about this. I've been thinking about it tonight, sitting here just now. I've been like this my whole life. Ever since my cousin Bonnie and her husband Ron gave me my Hallicrafter's S107 shortwave receiver when I was 13 or 13. Now, this was back in the 70s, man. They were early. They were hippies. They lived in Michigan's Upper Peninsula in Hermansville, Michigan. Population less than 500. They had an organic dairy farm. They gave me a college textbook on astronomy and a Hallicrafter's S107 shortwave receiver as a parting gift when we were leaving, man. Changed my life. I've talked about it all before. But what I haven't talked about is the fact that ever since then, man, I have loved listening to 40 meters late into the night. I have always loved hunting out the ham signals in between the international shortwave broadcasters. And they're out there, especially at the very high end of the band. And just above the bottom of the general class portion of the band. And more DX down in the extra portion of the band, right? But I've always enjoyed listening to late night chatter on 40 meters. And to me, man, it sounds completely different than 80 meters. I can't put my finger on it. I really can't. But I guess it has to do with the band background noise level, amongst other things, such as the QSB, the way the QSB sounds on 40 meters late at night. It's not like 80 meters. And earlier in the night, well, I'll leave that for tomorrow's recording, but yeah, late into the night, man, I love listening to 40 meters. The hams that talk there, man, they have a different sound. They have the sound of shortwave. What does 80 meters have the sound of late at night? It has the sound of AM. It has the sound of the AM broadcast band to me, man. Its characteristics and its nature. To me, it doesn't sound too much different than the high end of the AM broadcast band. 40 meters, to me, man, late at night. It's now 1:49 a.m. And guys, 40 meters, it sounds like magic. It always has. I get a thrill. And guys, when I tell you that my hair is almost standing on end, literally I have tingles in my scalp when I think about the magic of high frequency shortwave. The furnace started. I gotta go. I gotta try to sleep. I hope you're well. I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys.